3, 2.
सर मैं
यस।
शलभ शर्मा सर।
हाँ हाँ, आइए आइए सर, आइए
सर
बैठिए।
थैंक यू। हाँ सर, व्हाट अ बुक दैट यू आर रीडिंग, इंटेलिजेंट इन्वेस्टर, दैट्स नाइस सर।
हाँ, ये मैं एक्चुअली करीब 15 दिन से पढ़ रहा हूँ।
अच्छा, ओके।
इस महीने इस बुक को मुझे कंप्लीट करना है।
दैट्स अ ग्रेट ऑथर सर। ये बेंजामिन ग्राहम की तो और भी बुक्स देखी है मैंने, मतलब
Yes.
देयर इन्वेस्टमेंट पे। तो आपका जनरली इन्वेस्टमेंट पे ही है काम सारा?
हाँ, यस।
ओके ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट सर।
बताइए ना।
हाँ सर, मैं आपसे कुछ बचत के बारे में बात करने आया था, सम सेविंग्स के बारे में। तो उसके बारे में बात करूं तो आपको
बताइए ना, आप क्या बात करना चाहते हैं? आप मेरे से शेयर
सर, नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि एक आदमी कोई भी होता है, किसी भी स्टेज पे होता है, तो वो 4 चीज़ों के लिए सेविंग्स करता है। अपने बच्चों के एजुकेशन के लिए, उनके सेटलमेंट के लिए, अपना फैमिली स्टैंडर्ड वैसा का वैसा बना रहा है जैसा वो है या जैसा चाहता है, उसके रहने या नहीं रहने पे भी। और चौथा अपने रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग के लिए, भाई कि मतलब रिटायर हो गया, अपने को सब काम कर लिया बहुत, चाहे वो 55 की एज में रिटायर हो, चाहे 60 की एज में रिटायर हो, जब भी सोचा उसने, और उसका लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड में ज़रा भी फर्क ना है, इतना उसका सेविंग्स।
शर्मा जी देखिए, आप यदि सेविंग्स की बात कर रहे हैं, आपने मुझे अभी देखा कि भी मैं इन्वेस्टर हूँ।
यस डेफिनेटली।
तो सेविंग्स डजंट मैटर एक्चुअली।
अच्छा,
क्योंकि आई एम ए इन्वेस्टर।
दैट्स ग्रेट सर, दैट्स रियली वंडरफुल।
तो आप सेविंग की बात मत कीजिए, आप इन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में बताइए
सर। अब आप क्योंकि ऑलरेडी इन्वेस्टर हैं,
हाँ।
तो एक इन्वेस्टर को सर मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में और क्या बताऊंगा सर। द बेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स इन लाइफ आर आइदर इन इंश्योरेंस और अपने हेल्थ के अंदर इन्वेस्टमेंट, या हेल्थ के लिए। तो आपने क्या दोनों का सब चीज कर रखा आपने?
मैं आपको मेरे बारे में बता देता हूँ। मेरे पास 10 करोड़ का सरप्लस पड़ा है।
ओके,
जो मैंने मेरे रिटायरमेंट पर्पस के लिए रख रखा है।
दैट्स
माई एज इज अराउंड नाउ 56।
अच्छा,
मेरा बेटा है, ही इज 29।
ओके,
ठीक है। ही इज ऑल्सो इन इन्वेस्टमेंट। ठीक है। तो उसका क्या हो गया कि ही हैज ऑलरेडी प्लान्ड फॉर हिमसेल्फ।
दैट्स वंडरफुल सर। वो आपने देखा होगा, मतलब राइट, जो पेडिग्री है, जैसे आपने अपना जैसा मैं अपना मेंटेन करा है, वैसा अपने बेटे को कराया। दैट्स रियली नाइस सर। बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो इतने इंटेलिजेंटली इतना प्लान करके रखते हैं।
तो
और इतना
अब इस तरीके से आप मुझे बताइए कि भी व्हाट कैन वी डू।
सर देखिए, जहाँ तक अभी बाकी सब चीज़ों की बात है कि उसका एजुकेशन वगैरह वो सब चीज़ पूरा हो गया है।
He has completed education.
लाइफ सेटलमेंट हो गया है।
He was a CEO of a company.
Oh, that's wonderful, sir.
Now
That's
he has
great.
left that company and he has started his own startup.
सर आजकल तो ज़माना ही स्टार्टअप्स का है, और जितने भी मैंने देखा, जितने भी जोश से भरे हुए और जितने भी मतलब इंटेलिजेंट और थोड़े भी केपेबल व्यक्ति हैं, दे आर ऑल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. They do not like to work for anybody but for themselves. That is wonderful, sir. That's great, sir. So that is how it should be. Okay. सर अभी देखिए, जहाँ तक इंश्योरेंस की बात है, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस की बात है, सेविंग्स की बात है, वो सब सारे, वो तो आपने सारे घर पूरे कर लिए। सर मेरे को बस एक चीज़ पूछनी थी, आपने मेडिक्लेम भी आपका, ऑब्वियसली जब आप इतने इन्वेस्टर हैं, आपने इतना कर रखा, तो आपने 1-2 करोड़ का मेडिक्लेम अपने लिए और अपने बच्चों के लिए भी कर रखा होगा मेरे ख्याल से।
देखो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, मेरे पास ऑलरेडी 1 करोड़ रुपए का पॉलिसी है। ठीक है, उसमें बोनस सब इकट्ठा होकर मेरे ख्याल से 2 करोड़ हो गया होगा।
अच्छा,
तो मेरी फैमिली के लिए ये है। अब चूंकि मेरा बेटा जो है यज्ञ, ही वाज डूइंग जॉब एज अ सीईओ, ही वाज सीईओ इन अ कंपनी। तो उसके पास में ही वाज ऑलरेडी कवर्ड विद कंपनी। नाउ ही हैज स्टार्टेड हिज ओन स्टार्टअप। सो आई थिंक ही इज नॉट हैविंग मेडिक्लेम राइट।
ओह, ही
हैज गॉट गुड मनी. But he has done very well his investments. But I think he should have a mediclaim.
That is absolutely right, sir. Because normally when people are working at whatever post they are working, when the company is providing them mediclaim, they should be having something on the side of their own.
Yes.
Which unfortunately in this case did not happen. But he is young. You said he is 29, so it is not going to come much. So if you have yourself a mediclaim of 1 crore, he should have a similar kind of mediclaim, so that he can be tension free. Absolutely.
He should have at least 1 crore. He is now unmarried.
Okay.
To suggest a better plan for him.
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. Where I work for Star Health, which is the biggest private
Yes,
player.
yes, I have heard of that.
Yeah, there's the biggest private player. They have the biggest network among companies, more than 12,000 hospitals
Our
all over India.
investment king, share market king, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has also
Yeah,
invested.
definitely. And Jhunjhunwala, there's no need for any introduction to his name.
Right.
So if he has taken over that company, you can imagine how efficiently it must be
Yes,
working. Okay. So what I suggest is that for 1 crore, the premium will come to somewhere around 24,000, and which will be covered under Section 80D. So
income tax benefit also.
Yes, income tax benefit will be taken care of. So that way he can benefit as well. So you can also do it online. That's the best part. You don't have to.
These young people, they prefer online.
Yes, sir, definitely. Today's generation, they prefer everything online. So what I would do is, sir, if you just help me with his number. And
I will share. I will tell him.
Yes.
Just give me a little idea about what plan you are having.
Yes, sir. Definitely. What I'll do is, I'll give you a brief idea. Comprehensive plan, that is the premium plan of Star Health.
Okay.
That takes care of, there's no capping. There's no, you can, if you want, or God forbid there should be any need, he can go to any 5-star or the best hospital like Kokilaben or Hinduja or Lilavati or anybody, any hospital.
Okay.
And there is no capping on the room rent.
Right.
And everything depends on the room rent. So if you give him a policy of 1 crore, he should be absolutely tension free. There should be no capping. There is going to be.
Just excuse me.
Yes.
He will get a suite room.
Definitely, he'll get a suite room. He'll get a single AC room for himself. Single AC room for himself.
What about suite?
Suite room may not be covered for this, but single AC room, yes.
Okay, single room you are giving.
Single
that
AC
is
room.
We can say deluxe room.
Deluxe room, single deluxe room, AC room will be there for him.
Okay.
And he can afford the best of the best medical facilities.
Right.
Okay, and he can go to any hospital that he wants.
See, my policy has got no claim bonus.
Yeah, there's no claim bonus
that
for
policy.
This. Definitely, sir.
How much it is?
No claim bonus in this policy we have kept as 100%. So if there is no claim for the first year, then the next year the policy becomes for 2 crores. So that will be a great thing.
That no claim bonus will be immediately in the second year.
Immediately, then in very next year.
I have taken at least 10 years to reach 100%.
Sir,
It's a very good policy.
Sir, Star is definitely the brightest star. So you need not think twice about going for this.
That is okay. Any exclusions?
Yes, definitely, sir. I'll go with the exclusions for you. There is a 2-year exclusions for, there are 8 things which are listed over there: hernia, hydrocele, cataract.
Okay.
So all these things are common, and at his age and stage, I'm sure he will not be requiring any of these exclusions.
Okay.
They will not be material for him at all. So that is there, and I'm quite certain, since you are quite healthy yourself, so at his age of 29, I'm sure he must not be having any kind of
young people, they go to gym, they go to swimming, they spend 4-5 hours daily over there.
They are very much health conscious. So I'm quite sure he must not be having anything like BP or diabetes.
No, nothing.
Then there's no problem at all, sir. So what I'll do is, sir,
any exclusive special feature of your plan?
Exclusive special feature of my plan. What is the exclusivity that you are looking for? There is the special feature is there is no capping. He can go to any 5-star hospital and he will not be charged.
Because what I think, he is already covered in term insurance.
Okay.
With some insurance company, and I think he should have some personal accident insurance also.
Sir, this plan, good that you brought up this topic. I'm really grateful for that. The thing is that this plan also has inbuilt personal accident insurance.
No, that is okay. Mediclaim will cover the hospital expenses in case of accident.
No, sir. What I'm saying is personal accident. Personal accident, the sum assured. Personal accident claim will be given up to the level of sum assured. So if he is having a 1 crore policy for Mediclaim, that is the same amount that goes for the personal accident as well.
No, I couldn't get you. What you are saying?
Sir, let us say you take a separate policy for
1 crore
accident, 1 crore policy. Okay, and then you take a Mediclaim policy as well. Okay, in this plan, since it's a premier plan of Star Health, what we have done is this takes care of both the things, personal accident as well as the Mediclaim. So if there is a limb loss or any such thing happens, then it will be treated as like the personal accident policy.
Okay, what compensation you will give in that case?
What compensation? Compensation will be to the,
That is hospital expenses.
not the hospital expenses, sir. That is the
सी मिस्टर शर्मा, एक्चुअली मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है आप जो बोल रहे हो, मुझे थोड़ा सा क्लियरली कीजिए. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि आप हॉस्पिटल एक्सपेंसेस तो दोगे ही मेडिक्लेम में.
डेफिनेटली सर.
यदि समझो कुछ एक्स्ट्रा, यदि एक्सीडेंट डेथ हो जाता है या ऐसा कुछ घटना हो जाती है, दुर्घटना,
Yes, sir.
तो क्या आप कंपेंसेशन
Yes, sir.
देंगे?
Now-
दैट यू क्लियर मी.
ओके, आई विल क्लैरिफाई दिस फॉर यू. देखिए, हॉस्पिटल एक्सपेंसेस 1 करोड़ की आपकी पॉलिसी है और 1 करोड़ का नो क्लेम बोनस है, वो तो दैट विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली कवर्ड. देयर इज नो टू वेज अबाउट इट.
Yes, yes.
This policy also covers accidental personal, like it also acts like a personal accident policy, which means it
Yes,
covers
yes.
death as well as disability, permanent disability also,
Okay.
to the extent of the sum insured. That means,
Okay.
let me further clarify this, that in case of, God forbid, there is a personal accident and there is a accidental death,
Okay.
1 crore will be given to the nominee.
Okay.
In case of, the
Okay.
same amount will be given to the nominee in case of permanent disability.
हाँ, नहीं, not to nominee, in fact to himself, because
sorry,
he is
sorry,
surviving.
sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, that is correct.
1 crore will be paid.
1 crore will be paid on survival. Okay. The
That's-
other thing is that in case, just in case, there's another benefit. Just in case the whole treatment goes beyond the limit of 1 crore,
Okay.
which is okay, and it also crosses the 2 crores. That is, your no claim bonus is also covered. There is a restoration of 1 crore of this policy.
Okay.
That is restoration for 1 crore. So, just to sum up the things is, you have 1 crore of mediclaim,
Okay. Right.
1 crore of no claim bonus,
Okay.
1 crore of personal accident or disability,
Okay. 3.
okay, and 1 crore of restoration.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you have,
Oh,
yeah, so
really?
this is what there is. And look at the amount that you will be paying. That's like, and the amount that you are paying is definitely covered under section 80D.
Yeah.
So that is beneficial as well.
Something 24,000 you said.
24,000 something. So I'll give you the exact amount. So if you could help me with Yagya's number or something, I can maybe.
No, I will tell you. I need one more clarification.
Yes, sir.
Next year he is going to get married.
Okay.
Then what will
In
be
that case, we can add on the spouse to the policy as well.
that you can do in midterm or at the just tell me one thing. Next year he is going to get married.
Okay.
What about his wife?
As soon as they get married, wife can be added to the same policy with proportionate premium. That
Okay.
will be great. That is not an issue at all, sir.
Achha, it will be added in
Yeah.
the
In
midterm of the
midterm
policy.
also,
No
yes,
need
with
to wait for
proportionate.
the renewal.
No, you need not wait for that.
Okay.
With proportionate premium, we'll be taking.
Do you have a paternity benefit in this policy?
Yes, we do. We have a paternity benefit. Definitely, we do.
Okay. This means it's I think it's a good policy for him.
Definitely, it is. It is.
I will tell my son to contact you. बेटा, एक मिस्टर शर्मा जी तुझे मैसेज करेंगे. ओके, तो उनको अपॉइंटमेंट देकर उनसे तुम जरा ये मेडिक्लेम पॉलिसी करवा लेना. हाँ, ऑनलाइन कर लेना. हाँ, ओके. एक्चुअली ही इज लिटिल बिट बिजी, सो जस्ट
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
वेलकम. शर्मा जी,
This is
आपने
one
बहुत
of the
बढ़िया.
wisest decision that you have made.
हाँ.
I can tell you that was the you have a overall coverage.
यस.
Everything has
आपने
been
भी
taken
बहुत
care of.
अच्छा समझाया. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम इंटरेस्टेड. अदरवाइज मैं जनरली टाइम नहीं देता हूँ किसी को.
I know sir, that you are a busy person.
अभी ये लाइटर मोमेंट अपन ने यहाँ पे दिखाया. ये रखेंगे अपन ऐसे. कट कर.